Introducing Klarna's Pay in 3 payment option, the interest-free way to shop now and spread the cost over time. Today, you'll learn how it works, how to use it, and why shoppers across the UK are choosing Klarna to take control of their cash flow. Let's get started. Pay in 3 splits the cost of your purchase into 3 smaller installments, paid every 30 days, with no interest and no fees when you pay on time. That means you can buy what you want today and pay over time, keeping more flexibility in your budget and control over your spending. There are 2 ways to use Pay in 3. Directly at checkout with one of our partner stores, or by using the Klarna app to shop at your favorite retailers. When you're ready to check out online, simply look for Klarna at Payment. It sits right alongside other payment options like Visa or MasterCard. Click the pink Klarna badge to select Pay in 3. If it's your first time using Klarna, you'll have to set up an account for which we'll need some basic information. A reminder that you'll need to be a UK resident, 18 or older, and have a valid debit or credit card and mobile number for verification. Once set up, your information is securely stored for payments going forward. With your account set up, you can proceed. Here you'll see the Confirm Order button now says Pay with Klarna. You'll automatically be redirected to Klarna to process the order. Now for the final step. When you're redirected to Klarna, you'll see the full breakdown of the installment schedule. Provide your payment method and complete the order. Once you've placed your order, you're all set. When you choose Pay in 3, your first installment is collected up front, usually when your order is shipped. Your next 2 installments are automatically charged every 30 days. You'll get reminders before each installment in the Klarna app, so you stay on track. You can adjust the payment method if needed prior to the next installment. And you can always pay off your purchase earlier, giving you more flexibility and control. To pay early, find your order in the Payments section in the Klarna app and choose to pay your purchase earlier. You'll then be able to complete the installment using your preferred payment method. You may also be eligible to extend your due date by up to 10 extra days without any additional fee. First, find your order in the Payments section in the Klarna app. If you're eligible, you'll be able to choose to extend the due date of your purchase and pick a new date for your installment. Need to return your order? Once you return your order to the merchant, Klarna will automatically adjust your payment schedule or issue a refund right in the app. With the Klarna app, you can easily check upcoming installments and manage due dates from the Payments tab to always stay in control. If you see an unfamiliar charge or something doesn't look right, you can pause your installments and contact Klarna support directly. Klarna never charges interest nor late fees when you pay in 3, as long as you pay on time. The total cost is always clear and shown up front. If we can't collect an installment on the due date, we'll send friendly reminders by SMS, push notification, and email. If the installment is still outstanding 14 days later, a late fee may be added to your next installment. Late fees are added only once per unpaid installment and will not be charged if the remaining balance is under £1. Pay in 3 is a credit product, so you do need to be approved to use it. We run a soft credit check, so it does not impact your credit score. Every purchase with Klarna's Pay in 3 is decided based on current credit data and not contingent on past approvals or rejections. We understand it can be frustrating if you are denied, especially if you have been approved in the past. Different factors are being assessed in real time to help our customers balance debt risk and stay on top of their spending. A denied purchase will not impact your credit score, however. You can always check your estimated spending limits in the app. Just remember, responsible spending is key. Klarna is designed to fit your budget, not stretch it. If you need help or have a question, Klarna's support team is available 24/7. You can chat with us directly in the app, reach out through our website, or call to speak to a live customer service agent. We're always happy to help you manage your installments, answer questions about your orders, or guide you through any issue. Klarna's Pay in 3 is the flexible, interest-free way to shop smarter and manage your budget. Download the Klarna app or look for Klarna next time you shop at your favorite UK stores. Take control of your spending and enjoy smarter shopping.